My name is Colleen Krepakor, and I'm involved in the Science Premed Camp because I'm the instructor and the director. Premed Academy is for any of the students that's interested in going in something in the pre-med field, the medical field, but I always tell them that it's about learning about the body, and I think that everyone should know how the body works, how the body functions, illnesses, and how to kind of repair your body. I think a lot of people have heard about this camp and they know they do dissections. So when we take out the heart, we do, the 4 chambers and they look at it, or we do the sheep brain dissection. I think they expect that, and I think they're excited about it. This year we're also adding VR to it, because especially during COVID, there were some medical schools that kind of used that technology to introduce the cadavers, and they couldn't go to the lab to introduce dissection. And I think it's just a different modality that teaches science in a fun way. And the kids put on the headsets and they kind of feel like they're the doctors doing the surgery and looking at the circulatory system and the muscular system. So I really hope that the kids enjoy it. I think it's a wonderful idea to kind of get exposure to see if this is what they really like. Of course, in a week, you can't really make that determination, but at least you kind of could have an idea. No, I don't think I want to do that. So I think it introduces you in a nice, fun, low-pressured way to see if you like this kind of science.